In this video, I'll show you how to add Klarna card to Apple Wallet. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so adding Klarna card to Apple Wallet would make it easier to access and use for purchases. So I've been using Klarna card to my Apple Wallet, and it make my payments at stores that accept contactless payments very easy because I simply tap on my iPhone or Apple Watch, and that's it, right? So it enables a swift transaction at contactless terminals, allowing for faster checkouts compared to physical card swiping or inserting. So how do we add our Klarna card to Apple Wallet? Simply, you're gonna need to log into your mobile device, right? And then on your Apple Wallet, simply go to the add button plus here at the very top and tap debit or credit card right here. And then when you click on the debit or credit card, you should see the lists that says Klarna card. Now, click on Klarna card and of course, verify your information with the card issuer. They may ask you to provide more information or even to download an app before approving your card for use with Apple Pay. Now you need to enter your Klarna card account number and tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions. And even if you have paired an Apple Watch, you also have the option to add the Klarna card to your Apple Watch. All right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.